Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Happy Saturday. Hope you guys are having a wonderful morning. I originally wanted to do a get ready with me video with you guys, but I'm like, F it, just spend the day with me. So I'm currently at work. I've been here since 6 a.m. It is now about 9 something. I'm really kind of tired, but I took my vitamins this morning, so I'm feeling okay. Plus, Saturdays are not that hard. The work is still kind of hard, but it's not, you know, it's just not too much, you know? So yeah, just spend the day with me. I'm going to show you around a little bit. I'm not supposed to have my camera on site, but hey, it is what it is. So yeah, be right back. So as you can see, guys, my task is really not that hard. What I have to do right now is loosen this up. This is concrete and mortar mixed together, and I just have to put it in this good old pile right here, and then we're gonna transport it. Okay, so my job doesn't have the best angles, so just work with me, okay? Set this up just for y'all. Oh my god, I'm so annoyed. Look at this shit. I'm gonna, if I drop my camera on.
Bruh.
I just got back from break. My break is only 20 minutes, so I don't know what you would call that, but I'm gonna be moving some brick. Hopefully I can give you some footage, because I'm gonna be on this wrong way. I'm gonna be on this scaffold right now. Be right back. Mind me. Look at my favorite boss. He's so bomb, guys. He's so fucking bomb.
Put your forks up, Georgie. Put your forks up.
Guys, to see how beautiful this view is, and this here is the city with all those buildings. Oh, so beautiful. It's just so peaceful up here. Chaos down there. I am super tired, but my job here is done. It's 1:50 and it's almost time to go home. But yeah, this is it, guys. So I pretty much had to stack all these brick. And this counts about 3,000 to 4,000 brick. It's time to go home, y'all. Hey guys, so I'm finally out the shower. I am super tired right now, but we're gonna get straight into this. I already put my wig on, as you guys can see, and I have sort of like Felicia braids. I don't know, whatever you want to call these things here. And yeah, I had to take these good old nails off because they were hanging on for dear life, so whatever. My makeup is very simple and basic and easy, so we probably won't be here for too long, but starting off with my eyebrows, we probably will actually. So yeah, I'm gonna start off with this Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil in the color Ebony, and I'm just gonna start. Now it's time to do my hair. Oh my god. Bye, Felicia. I don't know what I'm gonna do to this hair. The hotness. Look crazy. None of my hair looks like something. I think I'm gonna do a little something. I don't want to just leave it curly. I feel like it's too. I think I'm gonna do some braids or something. I'm tired.